Hey beautiful people, this is my first time sharing my grandmother's dressing recipe. Okay, so I start out with making my cornbread the day before. And you can prepare your cornbread the way you like it. My grandmother didn't use Jiffy, so I'm not used to sweet cornbread for my dressing. But if that's what you do, go ahead and do that. But to my cornbread, we have flour, cornmeal, egg, some baking soda powder, seasonings, and milk and butter. And then I allow my cornbread mixture to rest before adding it to my pan to bake. While it bakes, I prepare my giblets. I season them and then I added my homemade vegetable broth to let it cook slow and low. And then I prepare my peppers and onions. I add them to my butter and seasonings. And for the past couple of years, I've added colored peppers to my dressing. And also I've added chicken breasts and things like that. But I'm keeping it traditional this time. And now I don't add celery or canned cream anything because she didn't. I'm keeping her recipe traditional. And this video is brought to you and sponsored by Oils and Bars Soaps. Why should you use Oils and Bars Soaps? Because your skin is beautiful and deserves the best soap. And you can purchase any Oils and Bars Soaps for only $3 and receive a free lip balm. So after my veggies and butter and seasons and things have cooked down, now it's time to bring everything together. My meats, my cornbread, and also she used breadcrumbs. If you use them, use any that you like. And for my moisture, I used the turkey juice from my turkey. Remember my other video, I said to set that to the side and save it. And this is why. And so I bring everything together, and if it's not enough moisture from the turkey juice, I have a backup, my vegetable broth. Please don't use water. I've seen people use water. Ew, step your pussies up. And then I add my egg last so that I can safely taste the seasonings the way I like them in my dressing. I baked this dressing for about an hour and 15 minutes. And there you go. And if you enjoy watching this video, watching me prepare these recipes and dishes, be sure to follow, subscribe, comment, and like these videos so that you don't miss out on upcoming videos that I put out. Thank you for watching and God bless.